Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Right, we're going to walk down past the BENIDORM Palace now. See how far we go. The bars up here, they're all shut at the moment, of course. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. See if anybody opens. There's the rumour we heard, they were all going to open tomorrow. Basically saying they've had enough for the government now. And where they're taking this thing like they did in Italy. Okay, the lounge bar over there, usually full of Brits. The Gilly Gaff does all the meat and chicken, spit roast. It's where we normally get our Sunday dinner from. Missed one out there, haven't I, Marcus? Yeah, have I? No. Where is it? Yeah, I've lost my bar somewhere there. So it's the bamboo on the corner there. Or you can eat Chinese. Or you can eat or you can drink. You'd never catch me in there, would you, Marcus? You catch me staggering out there a few times. So apparently they're open for takeaway at the moment. So I take it they're not doing their all as much as you can eat thing. It'll just be the main menu, the ordinary menu. And when they're open normal, it's about 13, 14 euro. Down there you've got 3 hours, you can eat as much as you like and drink as much as you like. And the beer in there is lovely.
I think this way is called Benidorm Doctor Survival Opta.
I don't know really. The one the BENIDORM Palace is on. Not the BENIDORM Hotel then, Marcus?
No.
BENIDORM Palace Hotel, that's what Marcus called it earlier. Was funny, but there you go. So we've both done a video down here today. Deluxe Hotel. And Marcus reckoned I had somebody asked me to do this one. I don't remember it. It looks like it's got tennis courts or football courts up the top there on the front. I think it's a mixed hotel, Spanish and English in there. I know we've come past many times and they've had it time to take the back. I'm trying to stop on the other side of the road so you get a little bit better view today. See if that works better. looks really nice from the outside. Surprised to see a couple of the hotels still open. This isn't one of them. There's a sign on the door there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Seems to be everywhere now. Translate it means BENIDORM waits for you.
Wrong.
Wrong?
BENIDORM awaits you.
Awaits you. Yeah, I've been corrected by Marcus again. So, it's a bit more difficult to get over here now, guys. Apparently I was told you haven't got to have visas though. You're just coming on holiday, so I don't really know at the moment. There's the, you buy anything in that shop?
We sell everything.
We sell everything, that's what I was looking for, Marcus, ain't you?
Buy anything. I think they're called market top.
Yep. I've been in there once or twice.
What's that for?
You can get most things in there. Might have to hunt for it though. It'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow, of course. We'll be out on the front, I think, first tomorrow, Marcus, yeah? You think? If any of the bars do open. There's a familiar sight over there. Oops. There you go. The overseas Iceland, which apparently is getting short of stuff.
You have such a house.
It's been attacked by a tree, guys. So you reckon this place down here, this pink place, Marcus, was the front for the Solana?
Yeah.
On BENIDORM programme?
Yeah.
Sure there'll be one or two fans watching of the programme. Hope you enjoyed the live stream last night. 13 hours. We're only going to do 12, but and everybody decided for us we can do another hour. No problem. So you always tired at the end of that. So guys, we're coming down now, coming down by the BENIDORM Palace, which is just there. By the way, before I forget, you were asking about my PayPal me last night that you couldn't find it. It's the only link under the videos now. All the rest of my links will be in the description of the video. So I've remembered to change that over for you. Anybody wants to put a tip in there, buy me a beer, buy me a coffee, buy me an ice cream, whichever you want to do. Marcus played about with a leaf there. There's the circus down there, down the bottom.
Wonder if the people who don't work at the circus actually live in caravans, the back of it.
I don't know, Marcus. Probably got apartments about somewhere around here. That's what should have been on up here. They're really pleased about getting that gig up here, weren't they?
And it might still be on, because
yeah.
I mean it's on in April.
Yeah.
So another 2 months.
One of the guys was filming with us
Martin.
last year, Martin. He's really excited about coming up here doing the gig. And then it all sort of started closing down. There's the BENIDORM Palace. Like most businesses in BENIDORM, it's in for its 500 quid. They get for doing up for Valentine's Day. 500 quid, 500 euro. Come on, you're in Spain now. I still say quid. The family know where I mean. The locals look a bit funny at me sometimes, but there you go. There's the Valentine's Day display from the Vandal Palace. Guys, I'm sure that's not going to help them a lot. I'd rather be getting open again. Getting some people back, getting open again. Over the road you've got Hotel Mediterranean. Mediterranean. Yeah, I nearly got it. Where are we? There we are. That's half of it. There's reception. Can you see any hearts on there, Marcus?
No.
I can't actually see any hearts over there. And there's the other bit. So a very low floor, three-storey hotel. Very low floor for Benidorm.
Yeah, but I mean, they've also got building over the back.
They've got a building around the back as well, have they?
Yep.
It's very handy if you want to go to the Vandal Palace. Okay guys, I think we've done our 15 minutes on that. I think what we're going to do now is not a lot to film down here, so what we're going to do end the video here. Like and subscribe as normal, and if you haven't already gone over to Marcus' channel, go and have a look at Marcus' channel. Vandal Crazy Marcus. This guy here used to have green hair, now he's got purple hair. Going to be orange next, I'm sure.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, go over Vandal Crazy Marcus. Go and have a look on his channel and subscribe. I would really appreciate that if you could do that for us, if you've not already done it. If you have already done it, thanks very much. If you haven't, we're trying to get Marcus to 1,000 subs as fast as we possibly can now, so he can earn some money for himself. He's been there enough 12 months now without any money, so odd bits here and there. Okay guys, we're going to leave the video here. Thank you if you'll do that for me, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.